Welcome. This episode we will be building part 1-C8J, reverser, reversing arm. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-C8J, reverser, reversing arm. Let's click on template, save 1-38J. Okay, it's like a I don't know how to describe it. Okay, let's go to right view. No particular reason, I just felt like doing it. So sketch. We're going to do top circle first, so we're going to do 2 circles. Inner one is, actually do the other one. The outside one is 19 diameter. Inside one is 12 diameter. Beautiful. Now that's all we need to do for that one. There's some holes, but we've got to do that later. Extrude. Mid-plane. There's a width of 10, which was already 10 anyway. I used to that being exact size. So that's that part done of the part. Oh, there's one piece, this one. See, I'm not going to worry about that hole yet. It's on the angle, but I'll put this piece down. So, let's see now. So we got the right piece, yep. So, normal 2 and sketch. Now this is going to be, let me just drag that out there, they're roughly there. We want 3.1 first. Probably not quite that big, but I'll do. Actually, one's there, but that's fine. Sometimes it's better to do a bit extra than not enough, so. Okay. Oh, that one. Line down. And line up those two as cuts and get rid of this line here. We don't need that one. I missed. Okay. Now we want another 2 circles. So 1, 2. Mark dimension. Inner one is 6 diameter, the outside one is 6 radius, so which is 12. Okay, let me just grab that line there. Let me just take this past, take that past. Okay, so this is going to be tangent. This up here is not going to be tangent, so you got to be careful on that. Tangent, there we go. Now that's locked in size wise. This circle, was this circle again? 19. Oh, hold on, it should be the same size as that one. Oh, what have I done? Oh, okay, sorry. That's radius. 19 divided by 2. There we go. Yeah, 9.5. I've got those radius, so that was correct. Ooh, thank God for that. Let's see now. Let's see, add something interesting. Oh, hold on. Let me bring that down. Oh. Not quite what I meant to do. Come on. Go around there. Thank you. Let me trim a dim. Trim that one. And that one. And that one. And that one. There we go. Let me bring that up there so I can see what I'm doing. So this piece and this piece, these 2 points are going to be horizontal. That's good. This point here and this point here will be vertical. What's up? Don't look horizontal, does it? I suppose it is. Oh, hold on. This point here and this point here, horizontal. There we go. That makes it a little bit better. This joins up in there, but that's fine. Just looking. We might do the hole before we do this one, because the hole actually does actually have a degree on it. So we need to do a face. Actually, no, hold on. Right. Normal 2 in sketch. We want to do a center line from there to there to there. That cannot move. This one can move. Excellent. But this one cannot. In black shows of that. Now this one from here to here will be 25.5. There we go. That's what we want. Okay, so that's done. So exit sketch. Now we want plane. So click on the point first. That puts it there. Now second point on the line, and that puts it exactly 90 degrees on there. Perfect. So that plane's done. So now we click on that plane. I'm not going to normal 2 on this one. So this is sketch. Put a circle on that point there. And that's going to be 3 millimeters. 3 mil. Beautiful. And that's going to bore all the way through both. This one and this one. So it's going to be feature, extrude, through all. Through both. Okay. Another way you can do it too is up to surface. So we click on this surface. Being circled probably won't work too well. So through or both, that works. And done. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so that can hide. Actually, might just hang on to that for a moment. Let me normal 2 on that. Let me, if I can see. Okay. So this one can move. No, not that one, that one. There we go. Now that's below that one, so that's good. So when I open that one up, it doesn't, that one don't disappear. Okay, so this one and this one will be tangent. There we go. That's pretty good. Close. Distance there, still got to do the distance, so I might do that right now. So that point to the point center of this circle is going to be 50. Yep, 50. There we go. That pretty much shows where it is. What's the measurement between those two, just out of curiosity? If I change that 15, it doesn't actually show you there. Fortunately, it looks about right. Now, this is thickness of 6, so it's feature, extrude, 6, but mid-plane. That's where mid-plane comes in handy, because then I know it's even, it's side. Oop. Oh, sorry, mid-plane. I did cut again. I did that the other day. Mid-plane, and okay. There we go. I did that the other day for some reason. Okay, so that looks good. Okay, let's hide this one now. Don't need that. Doesn't fit here, but when you pull it into the assembly, it shows in there, which I think it hides in there anyway. So just got one big hole there, and hole there. So that looks like it. That looks good. Now, before we go any further, let's do some fillets. Let's try 1 mil. Yeah, it looks on 1 fillet now. Now, I might go half. Fillet, edit, 0.5. And done. Yeah, 25. Edit. Put that face there. That one. That one. Which goes all the way around. And that one and that one. Don't need those. How's that look? Looks good. Good. Maybe we put there. How's that look? Yeah, curiosity. Doesn't show one though. Doesn't show not one there either, but actually I like that. Oh, it went all the way around. Oh, cool. Okay, I like that actually. If we find it later on in the video or anything, we just take it out. Okay, that's part 1-C8J, reversing arm. That's 10 times quick. So thank you for coming along. If you enjoyed that episode, got any comments, whatnot, like, subscribe, and comment. It does help me out, and I appreciate it. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.